Why don't you show everybody the Sphyncus deer leaps? Sphinky, come here. Come on. There she is. She's treading snow. Oh my God, she's just covered. I love this dog. I love playing outside with her. I love snow. And I love playing with her outside in the snow. But even with all that said, it's almost irritating how much she wants to be out in this. She loves playing in this, and I have no idea why. She loves it. I don't know where the hell she ran off to. There she is. She seems confused and scared most of the time. When it's this bad, it's the worst it's been, but I don't know why she likes it so much. Sphinky, come here, girl. You wanna go inside? I wanna go inside. It is freezing out here. I would think with her having a coat made for 130 degrees outside in the Egyptian sun, that she wouldn't really be up for this, but it's actually probably the most I've ever seen her head towards the apartment. So I guess I'll turn this camera off and get her inside, dry her off. And where are you going, girl? Hi. You want to get out of this? Alright, let's go. Show me where the apartment is. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Right over here. You know where it is.